Women are very strategic in the dating market. They are very smart, fast, and quick with their decisions. Once a guy acts a certain way, she categorizes him instantly into the nice guy category. So in this video, I want to tell you the 5 things nice guys do that women don't like, but might not expressly tell you. Number 1. Being too available. Being too available to a woman is a nice guy's trait that women hate so much. Women will always tell you they want your attention, but when you listen and give it to them, they become bored and run away from it. I know women love attention, but if you want to keep them attached, you have to give them little attention at a time. Your attention should be scarce. This will make it more valuable because people automatically place more value on what is scarce or what they don't have. This is why nice guys don't have girls stick to them, because they give out their attention easily and it becomes valueless to her because she already has it. If you want to keep a woman's interest high, you must not be too available. You should spend more of your time working on yourself and improving your life. You have to be busy with your time. Chase other things and never make her your priority. Never let her see you whenever she wants, and she'll value you more and will chase your attention and validation. Number 2. Being scared of checking women. Being scared of checking women when they do something unpleasant is another trait that is so unattractive to women. Women always want that guy who can lead them, a masculine guy who has fixed his life and is not ready to tolerate her nonsense and games. A man who is not ready to accept their bad behaviors and always wants her to stick to his rules. This is the kind of guy they want. A guy who calls them out. Immediately they act in an unpleasant manner. These kinds of men are super attractive to women, as they have shown to be masculine and leaders of the relationship. So if you are that guy who is afraid of checking a woman because you don't want to lose her, so you let her walk all over you, you'll still lose her anyway, because women know when they exceed their boundaries and will be watching to see if you'll check them. Once they see that you are afraid of checking them or are too lenient, they lose respect and attraction for you and will be observing to see what else they can do and get away with. Number 3. Not dating other women. A man who does not have other options is unattractive to women. Women always want what other women wants. They want to compete for you and love how it feels when they know that you have other girls who want you. She becomes more feminine and cooperative, knowing that you have other girls and can replace her at any minute. This competition anxiety you give them keeps them attached to you, and they become more loyal. Women don't want man other women don't want. They always want a man other women want. This is why you don't have to focus on one girl. Keep your options open. Have girls around you and see them fight tirelessly for your attention and time. Women will always tell you they don't want you to cheat or have other girls around you. Do not listen to them. If you do, and truly keep only her, you'll become unattractive to her, and she'll go chase that guy who has other women, or that guy that other women want. Number 4. Being timid around other men. A man who is timid or soft around other men only shows that he is not confident enough to face other men. This is not the kind of man women want. Women want men who are risk takers, firm, masculine, and act confidently around other men. A woman wants a man that other men respect and want to be like. A man who would walk into a room and automatically attract respect from people in the room. This is the kind of man every woman wants. So if you are easily disrespected or tried by other guys without consequences, no woman will want to take you seriously, especially if you are tried and disrespected in her presence, and you act timid and walk away. She'll lose confidence in you and will gradually begin to lose respect for you from that moment. And as time goes on, she'll leave you because she no longer feels safe or protected around you. Women hate weak men because they feel that you cannot protect them. This is why you need to go to the gym, build some muscles to look more masculine, and also to improve your strength, fix your finances, work on your fashion. This is the only way other men will respect you, and the more she sees other men value and respect you, the more it increases her attraction for you. Number 5. Being too hungry for sex. Being too hungry for sex is a trait women hope you don't have. Being too hungry for sex is a turn-off for most women. This is because most guys act too hungry for sex and will do anything to get it from girls. This has made women hold back sex from most men. So a woman seeing that a man is not hungry for sex turns her on instantly. It will trigger her curiosity, thinking why you do not need it like other guys do. A guy who does not need sex also gains control over his relationship. Sex is the weapon most women use to manipulate men. So once you can resist it, it gives you control over the relationship and makes the woman more feminine. You become more valuable in her eyes, and this will make her chase your validation more. So if you want to maintain the attraction of a woman, you must not be too hungry for sex. Being hungry for sex is a trait that is unattractive to women. These are the things nice guys do that are unattractive to women. If you like this video, kindly give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell so you'll be among the first to get great content like this whenever we post one. See you in our next video.